Hello everyone, myself Shushmita Halar. I am the project coordinator of this ABC company and of this project. Today I would like to present the project lesson learned report to all of you. I would cover the questions answers of throughout this presentation and is that and firstly I would talk about project descriptions and key lesson learned. In the description, I will briefly describe about the context or what were the main challenges of the project that faced at the start of the project. Next, the brief description about the project. What were the main issues the project tries to address and what are the solutions that the project offers. Next is the key success. What are the key success of this project and what the factors that supported into this success. Next is the project shortcomings. What are the shortcomings or difficulties and how we came up with the solutions and to complete the project. After that, I will cover about lesson learned, what we learned throughout this project, what are the negative things, what are the positive things, and what we will do in the future if we get the same kind of or similar project. What will change and what will what the factors that will do differently. And lastly, I would talk about the follow-up actions after reviewing the final report. So let me get started. I will start by the project name, that is leadership training project, and the company is ABC Incorporations. The project descriptions and key lesson learned. The brief description of the context, as we know that ABC company's profitability has been reducing. It has been seen that the managers are lack of leadership skills and some of them are not so proficient on the software application. Therefore, it has impacted negatively in managing the team work and collaborating within the organization and outside of the organization. They have limited critical thinking ability to bring new ideas and put them to apply for the organization's benefit. It was really challenging to convince the managers while they need to do their daily work for the company and receive the training, because as it could give them lot of pressure to complete both of them. Next is brief description and about the project. The project always aim to develop the capability and strengthen in the skills of the ABC companies managers by providing them effective leadership training at the company's training building. A focus or being given in to improve the soft skills such as negotiating and effective management and communications and problem solving, teamwork, along with effective leadership skills and strategies, collaborating critical thinking. Also, the training was given on software application, mainly on the programming languages such as C, C++, Java, also data structure, database, and it was the very important fact that and every manager need to know or be proficient and about the software application, because a software application has been using in every sector, each and every sector or the field. So all of these can help to achieve or meet the organizational goal. The project always has worked to develop and design a new approach for improving and measuring the productivity by training on an annual basis, where the potential financial structures for the training are reviewed, but the total budget and was fixed. The next, I would like to talk about the key successes. The main achievement of the leadership's in training project in the ABC company is summarized by two categories. One is a stakeholder analysis and capability assessment. Another is in leadership training management knowledge and lesson learned and best practices propagate. First, I would like to talk about stakeholders analysis and capability assessment. Through this, we have developed a capability assessment scoreboard which help to assess the capability of the managers, whatever they have learned. Another is development of the plan process effectively for the training. Another is monthly report, what was reported to the director of the project management. And the second category is the leadership training management knowledge, lesson learned and best practices propagate. I divided this section and into three subsections. One is arrangement of survey in this section, and as you know that we have facilitated and survey or the trainees or the managers had chance to put their opinion or have their opinion about the training, what they are expecting to receive and from the training, and how are willing to receive the training, and they what they want to exclude from this training. The survey really help to measure the opinion of the trainees about the training. They also showed an interest about this training by asking or requesting us for providing more detailed course. It was really success that they are interested about the training, and training was effective. Another is development of plan process. Effective planning process for the training helps to execute the project successfully, and because of the effective plan process, we could able to give or provide need priority on every course equally for the training. The next one is sharing knowledge and expertise through extra sessions. and conference. What I mean by this is that designing and implementation of the training enhanced all departmental managers' skills level. There is no doubt that and managers and skills level has enhanced and they got chance to put in practice their skills whatever they were learning throughout the training because they need to work or fulfill their responsibility for the company, so they had chance to put their skills. Another is the involvement of key stakeholders and project beneficiaries. The last one is application of the technology and equipment and best practices. The key factors to implement the activities are close coordination with the project stakeholders and beneficiaries. We got strong support from the organizations as well as from the PMO or project management office. All of these has led this project to complete successfully or give a positive outcomes from this project. The next I would like to talk about project shortcoming and solutions. The shortcomings the project carried out and as the assignment or leadership skills of the managers within the organization and difficulties are found while collecting the accurate data or information. The key challenges are limited access to the information, lack of collaboration and technical support from the key suppliers. Therefore, all of these lead it or make the resources not available on time. And at the beginning of the training, in trainees or managers are so busy to complete their task or their daily work for the company what they were responsible for. Therefore, they didn't concentrate on the development and to learn effectively eh, of the leadership training. Network and computer issues make the system run slow, and all of these factors make the training or the project difficult to complete within the time. The solution that we came up with, we have decided to talk directly with the suppliers and other stakeholders. And the suppliers therefore provided and information on a contract basis which offer least prices on the service is on the service based on the scope of the work. After a few weeks of facing in technical issue at the first of the training, the VP of the human resource directly talk with the IT sectors and IT sectors has collaborate with us. They have cooperate with us, and whenever we get any issues they helped us as soon as possible, though we didn't get much problem after this. Also, the initial stakeholder consultations and expert meetings, which was focused on the long term and as well as short term impact of this training. Which this training was developed for organizational increase the organizational's profitability in every sectors or department and to meet the organizational's strategic goal. After that, and meetings and consultations, and executives manage their managers to contribute their full effort and time to learn effectively from the training. Next, I would like to talk about lesson learned, whatever we have learned from this project, throughout this project, whether it's negative or positive, and the things that we have done uniquely, and what will be the factor that will change in the future if we have the similar project. First, we have learned that an effective plan process can ensure the execution of the project successfully. We had a backup plan and which was also effective because it is important to have a backup plan whenever our project getting in difficulties. The backup plan can help in that situation to overcome the problem and complete the project successfully. We also learned that facilitating communication and cooperation and among key stakeholders and improve involvement of them within the project can enhance the understanding of their expectations, what they are expecting from the project or the training. Also helps to identify the gaps between what they are expecting and what the projects are going to provide the delivery in the planning processes is conducive to solve a problem, any kind of problem easily, brings a good opportunity to maintain the continuity of the project and initiatives. We also learned that project team members need to be aware of the project risk and the project also they need to increase their knowledge because they also part or responsible for the complete the project successfully. All of these basically the knowledge increasing knowledge and awareness can reduce the risks which are associated with the project. We will I'll directly communicate with the suppliers in the future if we had to do similar kind of project because it is important to communicate with suppliers directly if they do not deliver the materials on time it could delay in the delivery of the deliverables and eventually the final deliverables of the project or completion of the project. Lastly, the follow-up action. We learned that and each and every phase of the project should be monitored and controlled carefully along with the detailed report. The close cooperation and with the each and every stakeholders help to ensure this also to sustain the project to complete on time and within the project budget without delaying by implementing best practices or the experiences. Lastly, the project information in this section and I would like to mention about the focal point. Focal point mainly the our CEO which is the project sponsor of this project, and Louis Liu. He got a certificate from the PMI, or the Project Management Institute, and he got a certificate in the field of the project management, certified associated in project management. Another person is Johnny June, our director of the project management. We know that he is quite proficient in the field of the project management. He got two certificate from the Project Management Institute. One is certified associated in project management, another is project management professional. Is quite professional, and the partner of this project was project management office, and the report are prepared and present by me. I am Shushmita Hallar, project coordinator of this project and of this organization. And that is my presentation, and thank you for being here. If you have any questions, please don't not hesitate, ask me. I will give your answer as far as I can. Thank you.